Hello everyone. Yep, you're looking at a box of what looks like random stuff at the moment, but I'll show you. I got a package a day or two ago, and this stuff is all made with a 3D printer. So this, guess what this, I know you know what that is. It actually has holes in it. You can actually put salt in it. It's a salt shaker. I put it together. I love this thing. Anyway, that's really cool. So what else did Danny send? Danny sent, I'm sure all of you know what this is, or maybe if you don't, you should, because this is Rachel and mine's favorite dragon. This is Toothless. Yeah, Toothless. Made from a 3D printer. Would you look at the tail? Oh my gosh. It's absolutely adorable, and his little legs move. Look, see, you can position him. And then we have, I'm saving the best for last. We have two dragons he made us. Hang on. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Hang on. Look at the head. These are aquatic dragons. Oh no, the wings fall off. Sorry. Anyway, these are aquatic because they don't have any legs. Look at the color change on the head of that one. It's gorgeous. All the pieces move. Look at this. They're aquatic. Look at that. I love this green one. Look at that color. Looks like satin almost. It's beautiful. And then I've got an all white one as well. I might actually put some paint on this one. We'll see. I don't know. But I love how they coil and curl up. So that's the first three. His wings fell off. Sorry. So hang on. Then my favorite. Never-ending story. This is Falcor, and the eyes are blue. Look at that. He's like a two-tone, white and like clear almost, and then white on the bottom. I hope that comes through. Yeah, he's so cute, completely posable. Tail, sections, moves. I've never held anything from a 3D printer, and they're so fascinating to me. So, Danny, thank you for our 4 dragons of all different shapes, sizes, and colors and what they can do, and a bonus salt shaker. Enjoy, everyone.